Hey family, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, we are going to learn about how to open Halifax bank account online. First of all, you need to open your Play Store or App Store, download the Halifax mobile banking app and click on the open. The interface of the application will be look like this as we can see here. So we need to click on the open a bank account with us. So select it and wait for a while. If you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Now they are asking, are you an existing Halifax bank customer? You need to click on the no. And by chance, if you are, then you can select yes. So do you have any UK current account? I am going to select the no. You need to select as per your conditions. So scroll down your screen, scroll down your screen. So as we can see here, here is the option of the continue. So we need to select the continue icon and please wait. Now they are asking about you. You need to enter your first name here, then the middle name and then the last name. If you don't have any middle name, then you can leave it blank. Now select your gender, male, female or non-binary. After that, you need to give you a title, Mr., Mrs., Doctor, whatever you want to give. And then you need to enter your UK mobile number. So enter your UK mobile number at here and you need to link your email address. So enter your current active email address at here. So now they are asking for your DOB, date of birth. You need to enter your DD here and then month and the year. Enter the country of the birth and you need to select the nationality if you have any another nationality. So right now I am going to answer all the questions and after that we need to click on the continue. So now friends, I entered my all details, so I need to click on the continue and wait for a while. So now they are asking for your address, so enter your postal code 8 here and then your house number, and by chance if your number is not mentioned then you can try it manually. If your address is not mentioned here then you can enter your address manually. So now they are asking about your income. Are you in full-time education? You need to select yes or no. Are you currently employed? Select yes or no. You need to answer all the questions correctly. What's your status? I work full-time, part-time or I am self-employed. I need to select it. What do you do? Please select here. Now you need to answer the question, who do you work for, when did you start it, and also what is your monthly income after the all tax deduction and your total amount of the savings. After entering all the questions, you need to click on the continue, and also they are asking, are you a tax resident outside the UK? You need to select your no as per your condition. So I am going to select right now no, and then I need to click on the continue. And friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button. Do you have a partner or spouse? You need to select yes or no. Do you rent or own your home? Do you have any mortgage? So I am going to select the no. Scroll down your screen, and if you are facing any problem then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. How much do you pay towards your any mortgage? So I am right now paying 0. So I am going to enter the 0 amount. Then scroll down. How much do you pay towards childcare cost, maintenance and schools and university fees? So I am going to select the 0. When did you move to this address? After entering all the details, you need to click on the continue. Make sure to verify your all details correctly. And friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button. What is your contact preferences? You need to select by the email. I am going to select the yes. By the post, I am going to select the no. By the device messaging, you can select yes or no as per your choice. By the text and by the phone. So I am going to select the phone for no and notifications for the no. By the text, I am going to select yes. After giving all the answers, you need to scroll down your screen, and after giving all the answers, you need to scroll down your screen and you can see here. So now they are asking, do you need extra support from us? You can select yes or no as per your choice. I am going to select the no, and then I will click on the continue. Switch to Halifax. Do you want to switch your current account to Halifax? I am going to select the no, and if you want to do, then you can select the yes. Now I am going to select the continue without switching. So click on it and wait for a while. And friends, please hit the like button. Choose an account. You need to select a account. Scroll down your screen and you can view all accounts. So I am going to select the current account, free everyday banking. There is a no monthly fee. So I am going to select find out more. So select it. So this is the all account details. What is your monthly fees and what services will be available mentioned it here, and a Visa debit card will be also given to me, and you can read all the details carefully and scroll down your screen, and in the bottom you will find the continue option. So we need to click on this. Please Please wait. Your current account offer all details are mentioned at here. Scroll down your screen, and in the bottom you will find at here the all the term and condition mentioned at here. You need to select by clicking on this, and then you need to click on the complete application and wait for a while. Now they are asking you to create a online banking. Choose a username and the password. After creating username and the password, you need to agree all the term and conditions, and then you need to click on the continue. After completing this process, they will ask you to verify your identity. After your identity verification, your account will be activated in 48 working hours. If this video is really helpful for you, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching Real Education. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Matram.